In fact, the world consumes more than 6 million pigs every day, equivalent to tens of thousands of tons of meat distributed on global markets. In major consuming countries such as China, the United States, and Germany alone, this number can exceed 30,000 pigs per day. So how can the livestock industry meet such huge demand while still ensuring quality and food safety? Let's explore the process of raising and producing pork using modern technology in this video. Modern pig farms are meticulously designed to optimize animal health and production efficiency. The needs of piglets are taken into account on these farms. Advanced LED lighting systems operate continuously, helping piglets quickly find warm places to nurse. While tilt doors with dark heat diffusers keep the nest cozy, promoting growth and boosting immunity. The pens are clearly divided, with dedicated sunbathing areas, allowing piglets to absorb natural warmth. In organic farming, sows are mainly bred by artificial insemination. During pregnancy, they are free to move around the herd until they give birth. Piglets suckle for about 40 days, but after only 12 days, each piglet is allocated 0.4 square meters in the drainage area and 0.6 square meters in the main pen. Approximately 3 layers of straw are used daily to maintain a clean, fresh environment for the pigs. Piglets are typically weaned and separated from the sow at approximately 3 to 4 weeks of age, which helps reduce post-weaning mortality. Throughout their development, pigs are fed a balanced diet, rich in protein, vitamins, and minerals to promote healthy growth and sustained growth. Automatic feeding systems deliver feed on a schedule, reducing waste and increasing nutrient absorption. Some farms even opt for organic or specially formulated feed to improve meat quality and reduce the risk of disease. The grazing area is cleaned twice a week, and the pigs are gently led back to their pens using a gate system. The pigs are raised for about 4 to 6 months, reaching the standard market weight. Before transport, they are washed to remove waste, ensuring hygiene during transportation to the processing plants. Here, the slaughtering is almost entirely done by high-tech automated machinery. First, the pigs are fed into the processing line, where the automated system puts the pigs through hot water, then shaves them by machine to remove the hair. Any remaining fine hairs or hairs are burned off with a high-intensity flame, leaving the skin completely clean. Next, the pig is hung by its hind legs on an automatic conveyor system, and workers will carefully cut a line along the pig's belly to remove the intestines, ensuring that the internal organs are not damaged. The meat is then placed in cold storage to maintain freshness and prepare for the next processing steps. In the cutting stage, specialized machinery is used to divide the pig carcass into standard parts. Large pieces of meat are neatly trimmed using industrial equipment to ensure accuracy and minimize waste. Workers then further divide the meat into smaller, usable parts, suitable for different processing or market needs. Among the many cuts of pork, the ham is one of the most valuable and sought after. Once the meat portions are prepared, an automated system handles the packaging process to maintain product quality. The meat is loaded onto a conveyor belt and transported to the packaging area, where machines place each portion into a tray or bag. Each package is vacuum sealed, and an automated labeling machine prints and applies a barcode and expiration date, ensuring proper tracking and freshness. But the pork industry doesn't stop at fresh meat. One of the most popular and diverse pork products is sausage. In dedicated sausage factories, the process of creating these delicious delicacies is fully automated to ensure consistent quality and food safety. After deboning and carefully selecting, the meat is mixed with spices, salts, and special binders in industrial mixers, creating the distinctive flavor that consumers know and love. After mixing, the sausage meat is packaged and vacuum sealed to preserve the flavor, ensure food safety, and significantly extend the shelf life of the product. Sausages and pork products not only add a delicious touch to your meal, but also provide a rich source of nutrition. Rich in high-quality protein, iron, zinc, and vitamin B12, pork supports muscle growth, increases energy, and maintains overall health. With its outstanding nutritional value, pork remains an essential food in the global diet. Today's pig farming and pork processing industry exemplifies tradition and innovation. Farmers and food engineers continue to honor age-old animal care and humane handling practices, even as cutting-edge technology revolutionizes production processes to meet the needs of billions of people. It's a delicate balance, but one that ensures the world has access to safe, wholesome, and delicious pork products every day. If you found this fascinating journey into the world of pig farming and pork production interesting, be sure to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing insights into how your favorite foods are grown, raised, and produced. See you in the next video for even more fun. The black swan, with its jet black plumage and elegant appearance, has long been a symbol of nobility and mystery. But today, this majestic bird is taking on a surprising new role, becoming a premium food source in the livestock industry, especially in China. Here, the intersection of culinary tradition and modern innovation has turned the black swan into a nutritionally rich option. So, how effective is raising black swans? Let's explore in the video below. The story of black swan farming in China begins in the 2000s, when the country first imported these exotic birds from Australia. Initially, they were raised in urban parks and scenic resorts to add to their aesthetic appeal, but as public interest grew, so did the potential for commercial farming. Provinces such as Jiangsu, Shandong, and Guangdong have become pioneers in this new field. Today, there are more than 100 dedicated black swan farms across China, with numbers ranging from 500 to 10 birds. Raising black swans is not simple. This bird is extremely sensitive to its environment and requires strict care conditions to grow healthily. Black swans are often kept in separate spaces, ensuring enough room for them to move freely and maintain instinctive behaviors. This is especially important during the breeding season, a time when territorial disputes are likely to arise. Diet is a key factor in black swan care. On farms, they are provided with a balanced diet of corn, wheat, and soybeans, food sources rich in essential nutrients. However, black swans are natural foragers. They spend most of their day stretching their necks into the water, searching for algae, aquatic grasses, and small invertebrates. On land, they continue to graze on grass and low plants. The ability to flexibly forage, both in water and on land, helps swans adapt well to the environment and reduce dependence on industrial food sources. Water also plays an indispensable role in the habitat of this bird. The ponds are periodically maintained with weekly water changes to maintain hygiene and ensure a stable ecosystem. Not only are they a place to feed, these ponds also help swans regulate body temperature, swim, develop muscles, and improve overall health. Besides, regular cleaning of barns also makes black swans grow healthier. Typically, the breeding season begins in late fall and lasts until early spring. During this time, male swans become especially protective, often raising their necks and confronting potential intruders to protect their nest. Female swans lay 4 to 8 eggs each season, which hatch after an incubation period of 35 to 40 days. Baby swans, or young swans, are born with light gray plumage, which gradually darkens to their characteristic black as they mature. When black swans enter adulthood, they are transferred to a strictly controlled diet. Farmers closely monitor daily rations, supplementing them with grains, proteins, and natural herbs, ingredients that are said to help improve meat flavor. After about 6 to 8 months of nurturing, each animal reaches an ideal weight of 4.5 to 7 kg. At this time, the swans are ready to harvest. Farmers will catch the biggest ones and sell them. This processing is done carefully to preserve the aesthetic integrity of the bird. First, the hair is plucked with a hot water epilator, which helps maintain the shape of the skin. The swan is then often boiled whole in high-temperature water, a traditional technique that preserves its natural sweetness and ensures the meat remains tender and moist. Currently, China raises more than 3 million black swans each year, mainly concentrated in eastern provinces such as Anhui, Jiangsu, and Hunan. Black swan meat is considered a premium food, so it is very popular. The domestic market is mainly consumed through high-end resorts, luxury restaurants, and private estates. Meanwhile, the international market is expanding, with swans being exported to Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Europe. However, this activity has sparked ethical and environmental debates. Some people believe that such a majestic animal, which once symbolized love and freedom, should be preserved and protected instead of commercialized. And we'd love to hear your thoughts. Let us know in the comments section below, do you support the idea of raising black swans as a premium food source, or do you believe they should be left in the wild? Don't forget to like this video, share with others curious about unique farming methods, and subscribe to our channel to watch more eye-opening documentaries about nature, farming, and the surprising stories behind your food.